The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Betway Premiership Match Day 18, midweek fixture pa Mhlatuza Sports Complex and Kaizer Chiefs. They just suffered their third Betway Premiership defeat against the host, Richards Bay, 1-0. Chucks and Chucks, besibukela sobabili umdlalo tata. Mandikubulisa kunjani?
Khotso Shane.
Yeah.
Khotso wa Thempeko lapeni. I'm still a champion on my own. Masilo machaka motokwana motokwana ngidimisa Justo ke khotso Justo. Bomb squad ngulux Dibobza, Tovilagazi and alcohol one. Yes, Shane.
Chucks,
Yes.
ikhona ijezi abafana bafana iphumelele namhlanje Chucks.
Yeah, I did that.
Uyayazi lokuthiwa iCustard.
I'm not sure about it.
You don't know iCustard?
I don't know custard.
Ikhona lento okuthiwa iCustard na Chucks le ityiwanini pha nabo Lady D abo Botha sibiza iCustard xa sibiza and imnandi kakhulu Chucks.
Custard, I remember back home then, after eating
Not clear. Okay Chucks, okay, let's dive into the game. Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, Chain. It's hard to to analyze a game like this magnitude, based on the performance that we've seen previously, and also tonight at away from home. One thing that I've noticed is the two. I told about the assistant coaches, but based on what
Head coaches, Chucks.
Yeah, remember me and we struggled with this kind of things, my friend.
Yeah.
I told you, according to me, they are assistant coaches. But you said last time that they are coaches. It's still fine with that, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they don't have what you call consistent starting 11.
And now it's match day 18.
And it's match day 18.
12 games left.
They keep on experimenting, especially in this kind of a game, especially to a big team like Kaizer Chiefs. You can't do that. You are shooting yourself on the foot, which they did again, once again. I told you, it's long overdue. I've spoken about them a long time ago. What are they still doing on the bench? That's the big question. Because Chiefs is bigger than anyone. And Chiefs is also bigger than them.
Your team is allowing them to be there, Chucks.
Absolutely.
And I understand
Yes,
the question.
yes,
I understand
yeah.
the frustration.
Yeah,
with it.
yeah.
What are they still doing there? Yes. And Kabuzo Lombuzo, we justify Lomibuzo because the results where you started and Lapho Koyo Ngogu Chucks.
Yes.
Goals that you have scored. Against the Orlando Pirates over the weekend, your first shot on target came in the 90th minute. Namhlanje Chucks, in 95 minutes, you had no shot on target against.
Absolutely. Zero. Absolutely. We are watching the same game. 0-0. Just imagine a big team like Kaizer Chiefs caliber with the players that we have at the moment. And also, man, sometimes as a coach, you need to see impact players. You've got developer, you start with him with the game. You've got Sereno that you know that when he comes in, whichever game first on the bench, then when he comes in, he's an impact player. So what do you do? Last time against Richards Bay, the same Richards Bay that we're talking about tonight, we played at FNB Stadium. What happened? In the second half, somewhere there, they put Sereno in the second half and he scored. And we beat Richards Bay 1-0. But now you change all the time. So for 3 games in a row, this is the third game. So what does it say? And also, you could even see the defense. I mean, you've got Aiden McCarthy, you've got Cross. Poor defense there, man. Poor. Even as the last man, as a defender, then you can't fall down while defending. I'm not talking about Cross. The goal that Gumeda scored there.
Yeah.
Yes, credit to Richards Bay. They played very well in the first half and also in the second half. Abos Kakan and others. They did very well. But how we applied ourselves on the field of play, the only thing that I was happy about is only the fans there. They came in all different province as well. Province. Gauteng, I saw them, others from Bulugwane and the stuff. But I can tell you the game that we played tonight, even if they can give us extra 10 minutes, we'll not score.
Nothing else gonna happen.
Nothing whatsoever. You changed, yes, in the second half. You put Shabalala, you put Teaspoon Lepo, you put Bartman. What they do? There was nothing, no impact at all, my friend.
There were moments at the beginning of the season, Chucks, because
Yeah.
you just mentioned any information about Serino ukuthi at the beginning of the season, besenziwe sub. Chiefs mhlawumbe iye ku half time ingu 0-0, buye second half and they will score goals.
Absolutely.
But this season, I'm seeing those same players abangeniswayo ukuthi bazochange game, but bangamanage uyichange igame, Chucks.
Yeah.
What do you think is the cause of that?
The cause is, you fail to win the dressing room. I can even see I can tell you, the coaches, they are failing to win the. Once you fail to win the dressing room, then you'll have a problem on the field of play. Football, you'll never cheat football, whether we like it or not. It will show on the field of play. You can say whatever you say on the paper, but on the field of play, it will show. You can even see how he applied herself on the field of play. Even the players that were there today. Now you put Shinga as well on the left side. You can see the body language of Shinga, my friend. I don't want to talk about him alone, but you can even see he's not match fit.
Chucks, when will you say ukuthi into your coach bakuthi ba lose the dressing room? Because if you remember, we are going to AFCON. Kaizer Chiefs, they still won some games. They played against Al Masry. Remember the game against Al Masry, Polokwane. Even against Zamalek, they fought. Even though they lost, they fought.
Yeah.
But these cracks, Chucks, this is not as cracks, they've always been there, but it was just a matter of time before glass.
Yeah, China, it doesn't come all the time. Some games you can even see. Go and check how he played. Also in the Confederation Cup, you can even see. Lag was there. Yes, in football you must have, but sometimes like run away. It shows that how you apply yourself in the field of play. In the coaches, how do you select your players? Do you have authority? Do you have that authority to manage your players? Nothing whatsoever. So it says a lot about the players. Okay, let me talk about the body language of the players today. From the first half, also the second half, those that were replaced as well, you could even see, check the body language. We are trailing by 1-0, but what happened? We are still dominated by Richards Bay. What does it say to you, Shane, about the team like Kaizer Chiefs caliber? We keep on crying, we're still going to cry, my friend. As long as you don't take decisive decision. At them, I told you, even in Ngulux, I told you in Ngulux last time, the Chiefs management should take a decisive decision to say enough is enough. We can't keep on crying the way. Even the top 8, I can tell you, my friend.
I was going there, Chucks.
Check it.
Even last season, we lose a top 8 towards the end of the season.
Yes.
By the time we finally let Bank Cup, you could already see and sense we might not make it to a top 8. But Kauchongi log right now, Chucks, I know it's still 12 games still to play. But Kauchongile, Chucks, do you see Kaizer Chiefs finishing inside the top 8?
Shane, while Twanzi, don't go far. While Twanzi whole, you don't need to go far. I told you about the body language. Level at the players. The players, they are enough as well. They don't want to be led by the 2 assistant coaches that are on the bench. I'm telling you, check the body language. How I'm telling you, you can even see how he played. So I'm saying, they lost the dressing room, and to me, they lost themselves. They don't know what to do anymore because even the starting 11, you'll see next game. It's going to be different in starting 11 once again. So where are we going as a big team like Kaizer Chiefs caliber? 3 games in a row to lose. It's not called for, my brother. Disappointing result to the I told you about the changes that they should make right now. Not today, not tomorrow, not whatsoever. I will be happy. I'll be at peace. Hegitsoha. More urgent. In Afrikaans, more urgent. Hegitsoha Shane. Those headlines.
Breaking news.
Thanks very much. Sometimes you are good in terms of assisting us. Breaking news.
Uthi xa uvuka kusasa, Chucks, awufuni breakfast yase whatever. Into ofuna uyibona xa uvula amehlo akho kusasa, you don't want to see anyone who's omhle eceleni kwakho. You don't want to see anything else. You want to see breaking news.
Bona no breakfast. Prelo afunoni. She negitsuha tomorrow man. More urgent. Just the breaking news to say 1, 2, 3 is no longer there. Now we're going to do this and this going forward. Once you don't change your way where you are going and you're expecting the same results where you are going, you are wrong, my friend. Change your ways and you'll see the results. But once you don't change your ways, you want to remain where you are, Just imagine me waking up with this T-shirt all the time, every day. What does it say to me about me? It means I don't have another T-shirt. So take that route alone. You'll see what happens in Twenty Chain. So to the Pavilion Glamour boys, let's agree to disagree, guys. We are in danger. And we need changes. And the changes need to be now. Thanks very much, my friend. We can put the mic down.
Thank you so much, Chucks. Thank you so much, Chucks. Uti lungisa indaba yakho noJesu. Khona manje kuzolunga. But ke namhlanje eMhlathuza Sports Complex there were results. There was a game and lo mdlalo bekufanele kube le result, and the result is Richards Bay FC 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.